Hey guys, here Robert with Wonder Off-Road. I'm here with Tyler and his 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. So Tyler, what can you tell us about your beautiful rig?
It's pretty stock. The stock like 2F in it, nothing done to it. Even the suspension, everything's pretty. I have King shocks on it that my friend's company Rock Bottom Off-Road installed.
Excellent, man. That's awesome.
But other than that, it's like
the way she rolled off the factory floor.
Pretty much.
That's the best way to have it sometimes. Just have a vehicle that just works and runs, and that's what you need,
Yeah, no, definitely.
So any future plans for her? You're going to show her off some more, or are you just going to have her as a fun toy?
Just cruise it around and keep it pretty stock for the most part.
That's fine, though. But if you guys look behind me, though, this vehicle is it's pretty immaculate, the way it's been kept.
Yeah.
So what's the history of the vehicle like? Are you the second, third, fourth, even sixth owner at this point?
I don't know, honestly. We got it in Valencia at the auto show at the College of the Canyons that they have there.
Wow, yeah.
And that was before they skyrocketed, even in 2015, I think.
Yeah, I know after the pandemic, everything skyrocketed. I remember you could buy a Land Cruiser, an 80 series for $2,000. Those days are dead now.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Oh yeah, dude. But still, you got a gem right here in your hand. So thank you again, though, for talking to me about this. It's this is, again, just a real treat. Again, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe so I can bring you more awesome vehicles like this one right behind me.
Awesome.